Let's have subtraction of integers. We all know that subtraction is the opposite operation of addition, so concepts may be used either way. So here, we will still follow the concepts of addition. Same signs, we need to add the numbers and copy the same sign. Unlike signs, we need to subtract the numbers and we will follow the sign of the number with the higher absolute value. My technique in subtraction, I use the minus symbol as the sign of the number next to it. So in this case, 5 minus 6, this also means positive 5 and negative 6. So positive, negative, unlike signs. So what do? We subtract the numbers. So positive 5 and negative 6, unlike signs again, subtracting the numbers, 6 minus 5 is 1. Which one is bigger when it comes to absolute value? Is it 6 or 5? We know that it is 6. And 6 here is negative. So the answer is negative. Next, this is an additional concept when it comes to the subtraction of integers. Negative 5 minus negative 6. Again, in subtraction, if we have minus negative, what we are doing is we do change minus symbol into plus sign, and then we change also the sign of the number next to it. So it will become plus plus. So from minus negative, it will become plus positive. Then proceed to addition. Positive, I mean negative 5 and positive 6. Unlike signs, what do? We subtract the numbers. So 6 minus 5, 1. Which one is bigger when it comes to absolute value? 6 or 5? It's 6. 6 here is positive. So the answer is positive 1. Next, we have positive 10 and negative 3. Positive and negative, we subtract. So 10 minus 3 is 7. 10 is bigger when it comes to absolute value because here we have 3 negative. So if 10 is bigger, the answer should be positive. Next, negative 4 minus negative 2. Same with the second example. If it's minus negative, we need to change this into plus positive. Then proceed to addition concept. Negative 4 and positive 2. Unlike signs, we subtract. 4 minus 2 is 2. Higher absolute value, 4. 4 here is negative, so the sign of the answer is negative. 5 minus 0. So 5 and 0. Subtracting 0 from any number will result to the number itself because we are subtracting nothing. So this is still positive 5. Next, 0 minus 5. Remember, we have here 0 and negative 5. I take minus symbol as the sign of the number next to it. So 0 and negative 5 is negative 5. It's just like we're adding 0 and negative 5. Any number added to 0 will give us the number itself. Last 5 examples. 3 minus negative 4. We have minus negative. We need to change this into plus, and negative will become positive now. So we have here positive 3 and positive 4. Same sign. If it's same signs, we add the numbers and copy the same sign. So positive and positive, adding the two numbers, 3 and 4 will give us 7. Since both are positive, the answer is also positive. Next, negative 5 minus 7. So the first number or integer is negative 5. The second integer here is negative 7. We take minus sign as the symbol or sign of the next number after the operation. So we have negative 5 and negative 7. Same sign. Both are negative, but same signs. So if it's same signs, we add the numbers. So 5 and 7 will give us 12. Negative and negative, same signs. We just need to copy the sign. Negative. So it's negative 12. Next, we have negative 8 minus 8. So we have negative 8 and negative 8. Adding them, like in the concept of addition, negative and negative, same signs, we do add the numbers. 8 plus 8 is 16. Negative, negative will result to negative. We just copying the sign, the common sign. 12 minus negative 20, minus negative, we need to change this into plus and change the sign or flip the sign of the next number. So this will become plus. So we are now adding positive 12 and positive 20. Both are positive, same signs, we add the numbers. 12 plus 20 is 32. Positive, positive equals positive. Last, negative 15 minus 10. The first number is negative 15 and the second number is negative 10. Both are negative. So same signs, negative, negative. We need to add the numbers. 15 and 10, adding them will give us 25. If it's same signs, we copy the same sign. So negative, negative, the answer is also negative. This is how we subtract integers. If this works for me, it might work for you.